Hey comrades,
Are you an undergraduate student? So Study Comrade is providing an exciting opportunity to all the undergraduate students out there. So students can join summer internship in three different domains: Python programming, core Java, and front-end web development. This summer internship is of 2 months. In the first month, you will be well equipped with the technical skills in your opted domain through our certified training program. In the second month, you will be doing internship program in one of our collaborated companies. After completion of this internship, you will be receiving an internship completion letter from the company. So on your best performance, your internship period will also be extended and a letter of recommendation will also be provided to you. Through this internship program, you are going to learn from very basics to advanced level in your opted domain, and also you are going to work as an intern in one of the IT solution company. So we are having everything which will make you job ready. So if you are interested, tap the banner and enroll for our internship program now.